Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your patience. You will soon be entering a world where the yesification is complete and YUH energy has reached its peak. You will bear witness to the power of YUH energy, and with that being said, welcome to the world of YUH! Let's ask some civilians of the world of YUH to explain what YUH really means.
A word that means so much more than its simple 3 letters. YUH.
It's like the opposite of bra. A positive bra, if you will.
Yeah.
You utter me.
Pure, literal, undefined, untainted.
Ooh, those are all very valid responses, but what does YUH really mean?
I just got a bug, get into it, yeah. Pop it with a truck, get into it, yeah. 'Cause if you feel the rhythm, yeah, put your hands up in the air. I don't wanna stop, get into it, yeah.
YUH.
It's not a choice, it's a lifestyle. Blocking every day until the final mile. Loving you, what it means to me with the team is where I wanna be. We're kinda hype, you know it's true. You wish you could do what we do. Loving you, what it means to me. Chilling with my brand new family. Yeah.
Late night practices and a little bit of that pooping. Pull up to the social, cause you know we got that ice cream. You know our teammates be the best, you know we would never rest. These past 10 weeks has given us ultimate happiness. Catch us chilling at Leo's on Taco Tuesdays with Luke and Faith. When they're with our team, you know that everything's gonna be okay. Pouring on this gasoline, cause we fire as a team. Send a shout out to FC and everybody for this year, cause
get into it, yeah. Pop it with a truck, get into it, yeah. 'Cause if you feel the rhythm, yeah, put your hands up in the air. I don't wanna stop, get into it, yeah. I just got a bug, get into it, yeah. Pop it with a truck, get into it, yeah.
Wait, what the?
Yeah.
Attention! Welcome to the Yesification program. Our mission is to help you find the best version of you that you can possibly be. We are YUH!
You should be sorry. I saw them on your song to face my problems. Entire questioning, cut down too easily. Don't know what's happening. Can't decide. I know you say hi. Yeah, do your worst thoughts. Sometimes the inner voice is encouraging, calling for you to run those final few yards. You're nearly there. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. It will all be okay in the end.
Recruits! Through many ups and downs, rain or shine, trials and tribulations, we remain together as one, as young.
Slowly, days get greater. What if I can't fix my head? What if I can't fix my head now? I wanna forgive with the wide angle smile and a mouth full of gold candy eyes, candlelights burning right down the road through Carolina. Warm at Carolina. I had a wide angle smile and a mouth full of gold candy eyes, candlelights burning right down the road like Carolina. Warm at Carolina. 95, 95 down and
Attention! All of y'all report to the stage, front and center immediately. I repeat, report to the stage, front and center. This is the final stage of the yesification.